Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer items with the Super Magic Mail in Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest World. Okay, first you're going to go to the gear shop of the Fall Harvest World in Grow a Garden, and then you're going to purchase the Super Magic Mail from here. This is a rare item, so maybe you need to wait a little longer to get the Super Magic Mail. And basically, guys, you can use the magic mail to transfer items from this full harvest world to the Garden Valley. There are three types of the magic mail. The first one is the rare magic mail. The second one is the legendary magic mail, and the last one is the super magic mail. And you can use the super magic mail to transfer these super items, the rarest item. For example, you can use the super magic mail to transfer the amber cranberry. And also, you can use it to transfer the super sprinkler. Let me show you. Okay, you can use the super magic mail to transfer super syrup sprinkler and also the super syrup watering can. And to use it, just go to your inventory and then you're going to select your super magic mail because I still haven't bought it yet. So I'm going to use the rare magic mail. Tap on anywhere and then you're going to select the super item to be transferred to the Garden Valley. I'm just going to transfer my this one on common full set pack. I'm going to click on send and then you're going to teleport to your garden valley to claim it. And to claim it, you just need to open up your mailbox like this and you're going to claim. Yeah, just like this. Okay, guys, and that's how you can transfer items using the Super Magic Mail in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!